this video, we shall learn the method to make this complete table for the values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. We will also be able to remember the values, but in the exam it will take you less than 1 minute to make this table. Let us see how. Write down 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 in increasing order, and sine theta, cos theta, then tangent theta, and these three reciprocal ratios in any order. Now let us start writing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give them a square root. Root, 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 root 3, root 4. So we have written root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. Divide all of them by 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2 and divided by 2. Very easy. So we just write root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4 and divide all of them by 2. Now whatever we get by solving this are going to be the values for sine theta. See, root 0 divided by 2 is 0 by 2, that is 0. So value of sine of 0 degree will be 0. Root 1 is 1. By 2, 1 by 2 is the value for sine 30. Root 2 when divided by 2 we get 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2 is already simplified, so root 3 by 2. And root 4 we know that is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So these are the values of sine theta. And for the values of cos, you know that they are complementary angles. Cos word has originated from complementary of sine. Right? So whatever will be the value of sine 90 degree will be the value of cos 0 degree, because complementary of 90 is 0. So we start writing in reverse order from right hand side. So cos of 0 degree is 1. Cos of 30 will be same as sine of 60. So root 3 by 2. 45 is complementary of 45 itself. So value is same. For cos 60 we shall take value of sine 30, that is 1 by 2. And cos 90 will be sine 0, that is 0. So I repeat, we start writing from right hand side. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So it's so easy to remember the values of sine and cos. Now let us write the value of tangent. We know that formula for tangent is tangent theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta divided by cos theta is the formula for tangent theta. So here also we shall be dividing them. And once we divide, 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by any number is 0. So value of tangent comes out to be 0. Now 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So denominators get cancelled, only write the numerators. Now these two are same quantities, on cancellation gives us 1. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, I am left with root 3. And 1 divided by 0. When we divide any number by 0, it is infinity or not defined. So these are the values of sine, cos and tan. I hope you all are have understood this. Let's come to cosec theta. You know that formula for cosec theta, cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. We have done in a previous video that there is going to be a combination of SC. So where S has come, C will come. Not SS and CC will not combine. So do not get confused whether cosecant's reciprocal will be cos or sine. So cosecant is reciprocal of sine theta. So let us write in the values for sine theta, cosecant theta now. Sine is 0, 0 reciprocal is, if 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So reciprocal of 0 by 1 will be 1 by 0, that is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2. 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. So these are the values of cosecant. Secant, we know that is reciprocal of cos theta. As I told you that combination of SC is going to happen, not SS and CC. Right? So for secant we take reciprocal of cos. So reciprocal of 1 is going to be 1 itself. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. And 0 reciprocal is, now 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So reciprocal of 0 by 1 is 1 by 0, which gives me not defined. Alright. or you may also start writing this in reverse order of cosec, but actually in the exam you don't have to write all the 6 values in the table. I will tell you why. Let us first complete cot theta. We know that tangent is 1 by cot theta, or I can say cot theta is 1 by tangent theta. So tangent and cot are very special ratios because they are reciprocal ratios as well as they are complementary ratios. Cot word comes from complementary of tangent. So again, let us write down the reciprocals. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 will be root 3. Reciprocal of 1 will be 1 only because 1 by 1 is 1 only. Root 3's reciprocal is 1 by root 3. So cot 90 will be 0 because reciprocal for not defined will be 0. So these are all the values. Now see what you have to do in the exam. In the exam you make the table only of sine and cos. Make the table only for sine theta and cos theta, that's all. All other ratios you can just write from here. Suppose in the exam you get the value of tangent 45. So you see that sine over cos is going to be 1. So answer is 1. You don't need to copy this. Suppose you are to write value of cosecant 30. So mentally first think cosecant is reciprocal of what? Sine. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 will be 2. So you are not required to make all these values. There is no need to make. Just make for sine and cos. It will be done. It should be sufficient for you. And if you want to remember them without writing the table, just see. Remember only the values of sine. Just write sine 0, 0. If you just remember sine 0, 0, you are able to remember 4 values. Why? Because if sine 0 is 0, clearly cos 0 will be 1. Because cos 0 cannot be 0. And if sine 0 is 0, then cos 90 is also 0 because they are complementary. And if cos 0 is 1, then sine 90 is 1. So you are able to remember 4 values. Then sine of 30 degree. See, you remember that values of sine lies between 0 and 1. So from 0 to 1 we increase. So 30 is closer to 0. So after 0 we get 1. Hence it should be 1 by 2. 45 you should remember that after 1 we get 2. So in numerator if we have 2, root 2 divided by 2, it should be 1 by root 2. And then 60 is at third place. From after 0 it is 1 to third place. So just remember 3, which gives you root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So this is how you can remember the table. Alright. So I hope you are clear about this. And in the next video we shall be deriving as how these values actually came. So till then, happy practicing. Thank you so much. Do not forget to share and subscribe.